What's going on, guys? It's your boy Kevin. Huge moves going on in the market. Alright, so today I'm going to talk about one of my picks that I made a video about not too long ago. Sfund. Ticker symbol Sfund. When I told you guys about it, we were like here, this range. Look at that, and we even touched like $2.30. So obviously we're still early, like 135 million market cap. I told you guys about it. I'm just below 100 or around 100. Still early. I think Sfund is $1 billion market cap easily, in my opinion. Not financial advice. This is not gospel. Only gospels of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Read them, change your life. But like I said, like these are, like I think Sfund is $1 billion coin minimum. My opinion, because like I said, infrastructure, right? Infrastructure in the gaming market. If we go to CoinMarketCap and then we go to gaming, it is green across the board. One little red here. It is green across the board. Like I said, the gaming catalyst is taking off. Same thing with AI. I said AI. Gaming and AI is going to be that thing. And look what it is. It's proving to you that it is that thing. So, Immutable X, Immutable X, like I said, it was safe play. 7 days up 10%. Gala's up 55% in the last 7 days. Gala moved from being like down here to up here to being a top gaming play. It always kind of was, but you know what I mean? Right? And then Sfund, right here, up 40% in the last 7 days. It is time, guys. And I'm not saying you're late. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is time is a ticking. The clock is winding down, right? Like, here, this is why being quick with it, doing your research, obviously, but doing it quick, bro, making adult decisions, being a man or a woman, just being an adult when you're coming to investing and making your decisions. When I told you about it was around here, you guys would have made a 40% increase. Just from like if you saw the video and it was my video where you found out about it, you didn't want your research, and then you made your own decision to invest in that coin, invest in Sfund, it would have been up 40%. Right now it's chilling at like the $2 range, $2.10 range now. It's even been chilling for the day at $2.10. It's right. It found a new little floor at $2 basically, right? When I told you guys at 50 cents, so like 25% increase minimum, right? And I'm not saying like you guys should have sold, no, because this is like a long-term token. Like I think Sfund is a $20 token minimum. I personally believe that. And because like I said, it's infrastructure, right? Like if you just follow their X and pay attention, they're doing things daily. They're doing amazing things. They're launching projects, platforms, and the things that they're doing on Sfund for the gaming sector here for crypto is amazing, right? Even if you just go on their Telegram, right? 136,000 subscribers on the Telegram. Guys, like they're active. Community's active. Community's paying attention, right? Investors are paying attention. New games are going to come into the blockchain as crypto continues on this bull run and throughout time. Like Sfund is going to be one of the big players when it comes to investing in new games, when it comes to ICO launches. Right, like I said this in the first video, nothing has changed. The only thing that has changed is that freaking price, dog. That's the only thing that's changed, and it's going up, right? Or a little bit on a dip right now. Today, I think yesterday, or like earlier today, it was like $2.35. Now we're sitting at $2.15. But like, time's a ticking. Like, let me look at the year chart. Just in March, it was basically $5, right? $5.50. We're sitting at $2.10. We're at more than a 50% decrease from this year's all-time high. The all-time high of this coin is $16. Right? I think it's gonna blast that, in my opinion. The $16 all-time high. So you're not late. Like you can still get a good 10x multiplier on this coin. But the thing is like I don't look at like this coin is a good multiplier for the bull run, but I plan to take out my profits off this coin and then reinvest in the bear on this project. Because guys, like gaming is a $1 trillion industry that is not stopping. People only play more video games every year. So you guys got to realize if crypto and gaming go hand in hand, C2 5 Fund is going to be one of the leaders in ICO launches, and people want to get in early on these games because people want to make money, etc., etc. We cannot be sleeping on these opportunities. We gotta do our own research, and we gotta take action, you know, and be patient. Like on the last video, my C2 5 video, someone commented like, "Oh, I'm in C2 5, but I think it's dead." 2 days later, it pumped. 2 days later, it pumped 40%. I don't know if he sold. I don't know. Hopefully, he didn't. But 2 days later, it pumped after he was having doubt. Like, you guys have that. You guys, and he said in this thing, he bought at the top. You know, it's because people will FOMO in and not do research, and then they'll FOMO in into a coin, and it'll drop 40% on their heads, and then they blame the coin when it's like that's just market volatility. That's just how it was gonna happen. People are gonna take profits. Because you gotta realize, people got in here at 60 cents in October 23rd, and it shot up to $5, and then people took profits, and now it's sitting at $2, right? Like, this is normal behavior in the market. It consolidated on a floor price of like less than $1 for a whole year. People took profits at $5. That's normal. Same thing happened with ArcBlock, you know. So people just have to be like aware of this, and people will FOMO in at tops and then lose 40% of their investment, 50% of their investment, 60% of their investment, and blame the coin when it's like, guys, like, this is how the market works. Like, you are exit liquidity, you know. And I'm trying to, like, this whole thing, this whole video is like, this whole channel is for Christians and just anybody to make money Christian ways, but I'm trying to make you guys not be exit liquidity, you know. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is, like, when you see a video pop up on my on your screen, I've done my research, but please go do your research, right? But act fast. If you don't want to invest, okay, but if you do, act quick, right? My Telegram will always know first what I'm looking at, okay? Same with Twitter. YouTube will know last because it just takes some time to go make a YouTube video. I'm not always on my desk. Like, I do things, right? Like, I run businesses outside of crypto, right? There's a Christian YouTube channel. I know it's been crypto lately because we're in a bull run and all that, and it's going to be kind of mainly crypto. But at the end of the day, like, active income, I have businesses that I run that you've probably seen on this channel me talk about, and I'll continue to talk about them as time goes on, right? But guys, like, we have to be smart investors, and we have to make sound decisions. Like, the best investors are willing to do nothing for a long period of time, right? ArcBlock, I've been holding it since January, late 2023, almost a year now. You know, I'm up, but like, I'm not up where I want to be. I'm chilling. I'm patient. I don't need the money right now. I make my own money outside of crypto that I can pay bills. I can do things. I can, you know. So, and when I found ArcBlock, I did my research and I bought in right away, automatically. Like, not automatically. I did my research and I bought in, but it took me a day or two to make the decision and do it, right? I think I posted my video, and I think less than a week, this pumped. So that's why we gotta act quick. We gotta make decisions, and you cannot be buying at a top, bro. Like, that's why I always buy on little dips. But even then, like, if I see a coin, that's why I didn't really buy into LCX, bro. Even though LCX has maintained a good level at like 30 something cents, I didn't buy into it, bro. Because first of all, I feel horrible for what I did, that dumb decision. But also, like, bro, it's done a 4x. Profits are going to be taken soon, and then when they're taken, then I'll invest. I feel like I could be wrong, but that's what usually happens on coins, you know. Or maybe LCX 30 cents is the new floor. I don't know, who knows. But I cannot be mad at, like, if you buy over here, you cannot be mad if you end up over here and say, oh, C2 is dead. The chart doesn't look dead. The chart looks more lit than ever, bro. You cannot say that, right? You're only saying that because you bought at the top and lost 40%, and that's exactly what we're trying to not do on this channel. That's why you gotta follow me on Twitter. That's why you gotta join my Telegram channel, because I let people know what I'm doing the minute I do them. It's not a trading alert, but it's not a trading alert channel, but I just let people know what I'm doing, right? I'll let you know my trades. I'll let you know my investments, all using Blowfin. And speaking of that, if you want to trade crypto, 10% off, no KYC, Use the code down below for 10% off cashback and a chance to win $5,000 USDT when you sign up. Only using the link below, so make sure you use it. But guys, I just want to make this quick little video to show you, like, Sfund is not dead. Gaming is not dead. Like, I'll go back to the gaming chart. Hold on. I'll go back to the gaming chart. Like, look at this. Everything's green, bro. If you go on a 7-day, everything's green. Right now we're in a little bit of a pullback, but I promise you, this month and December and January, you're gonna see crazy movement. So I just wanted to let you guys know, like, look, like, pick your gaming coins, pick your AI coins, and go and do your research and go into them, bro. Like, Sfund for me is a good gaming pick. PNG is a good exchange pick. ArcBlock is a good AI pick. You know, just do your research and go in. Because this is the cycle to change your life. This is the chances that you guys have to take, right? Only invest money you're willing to lose, but these are the things that you got to do to become financially wealthy, to become financially free, right? And that's what we're trying to do here. That's what we're trying to do in this channel. And I'm trying to show you guys how to do it. And I'm telling you, you guys cannot just sit around and watch these numbers fly by, watch these multipliers fly by. Like, I'm telling you about these coins at good prices at good times, and yeah, they might dip a little after, but I promise you, I'm telling you, my good times by the end of the year, 6 months from now, you're gonna see crazy multipliers on all the picks that I've talked about, excluding memes. Hopefully memes work out. Memes are a risk, but the utility, I have a good feeling about my utility picks. You know, even some of my memes at the end of the day, like those microcap memes, Kami Ryujin and Weirdo S Kid, I really believe in them. You know, and that's the main thing. You have to believe in your project, you know, because when your project does a 40% dip and you believe in it, you don't care. You buy more, right? Because you know what it's going to be. You know the end outcome, the end goal of that coin. You know the potential of it because you've done your research and you know what it does for people. You know how it serves others, right? Especially with utility. That's the main thing. Like, you got to realize how it's going to serve retail, serve others, right? Like I said, being a good person, being a godly person under the Lord is how you will fulfill your assignment and serve others. Same thing for utility. Is how is this coin going to serve others? How is this investment, how is this project going to serve others? And if it serves others in an amazing way, then you better expect amazing gains and amazing adaptability, right? But anyways, I just want to let you guys know, Sfund, my brothers, my sisters, this is my favorite play in the gaming crypto space. Like, this is what I have the most conviction on in the gaming crypto space. I also think it's one of the safer plays in the gaming crypto space because it's infrastructure, right? So just take a look at it if you haven't already. We're already up 40% from the way I talked about it. I don't want you going in, or I don't want you guys clicking on a video and it's up 200% from the time I talked about it, right? But yeah, that's that. Like I said again, use my link in the description for 10% off cashback, 10% cashback on your fees for trading. No KYC. You don't have to let nobody know who you is to trade on Blowfin. Use Blowfin for a chance to win $5,000 USDT upon registration, and also guarantee 10% off your fees cashback. I'll see you guys in the next one. Easy.